Easy crochet hat for beginner.
Hi, good morning. This is Anxin Crochet. Today I will show you the crochet hat. This hat is very simple crochet. We're using the single crochet stitch for crochet. Now this is the stitch we need. You can screenshot. Single crochet beanie hat we need using the 4 and 4.5 mm hook and using the squirrel velvet. Yeah, we need 100 gram for the adult people. This squirrel velvet. And this is the edge and chest stitch height 0 to 1 yes. Oh, we need chain 41 to 43, and here you can screenshot for this, and then let's go. Okay, I'm using the orange color. It's very soft. Let's go. Here I train for a blouse. crochet the single crochet. The single crochet also pink the front loop only. And this is circumference of the head is 5 cm smaller than your head circumference. This is 51 centimeters. For example, if your head circumference is 55 cm, then your circumference of your head should be 50 cm. Okay, now we reserve 3 times more than this lesson. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we tap down. And then using this needle, pick the front loop. And then one by one, this is the back loop, and this side is front loop. One by one.